Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. So in this video, we will discuss the solution for your assessment 1. Okay, keep in mind that all the topics covered in assessment 1 will be asked again for your final assessment. So you can try to redo all the question and make sure to really understand each of the solution. Okay, let's start from part A, question 1. We want to complete the following table. So here we are given a value in percentage and we want to convert this value into decimal and lowest fraction. So percentage 2.15. 2.15 percentage is over 100 equal. So we get in lowest fraction. Okay, fraction 43 over 2000, or we can change that into 2 3 over 20, and then change to decimal. We get 0.0215. Okay, for the second value, we are given the value in fraction and we want to convert that into decimal and percentage. Okay, let's enter that value first. So 9, 5 over 8, or 77 over 8, in decimal 9.625, and to convert into percentage, multiply that value by 100, and the answer is 962.5%. That is the solution for question 1 from part E. Continue to question number 2. Evaluate the expression below without using a calculator, meaning that you need to show each relevant step. Okay, let's start with the first bracket. Negative 3 multiplied by 6 plus 4. So we need to solve the multiplication. Negative 3 multiplied by 6 is negative 18. Then plus 4. Divide. Okay. For the second bracket, here we have multiplication of fraction. Multiplication, straight away multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 3 multiplied by 4, 12 over 2 multiplied by 5, 10. Okay, and then negative 18 plus 4, we get negative 14. Divide fraction. Okay, we can change it into multiplication, but we must reverse the fraction. Okay, division of fraction change to multiplication and reverse the fraction. So 10 over 12 equal. We get negative 140 because 14 multiplied by 10, negative 140 over 12. And we can simplify this value. We get negative 35 over 3. And that is the final answer. Proceed to the next question. Question number 3. Factorize the following expression completely. Okay, here we use the theorem. If we have a square minus b square, it will equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So here we have 1 over 36. 36 is 6 power 2. We change 36 into 6 power 2, and then here we have 6 square x square. We can factorize x over 6 square minus y square. So our If we compare with this theorem, our A is x over 6 and our B is y. Okay, so A square minus B square equal A minus B, A plus B. X over 6 square minus y square will equal to x over 6 minus y multiplied by x over 6 plus y. That is the final answer. Next question, 3b. We want to factorize 3p square qr cube plus 18pq square r power 4 minus 6pq power 3 r square. So let's factorize one by one, starting from the constant. Okay, starting from the numbers. So we have 3, 18, and 6. So we can factorize 3. Okay, from the first term, kita dah keluarkan 3 yang tinggal 4 square QR cube plus. Okay, 18 divided by 3, 6. Okay, kita faktorkan nombor je dulu. So 6 P Q square R power 4 minus 6 divided by 3. So 2 P Q cube R square. Okay, next we can factorize P. So for P we have P square, P and P. So the lowest is P only. So 3P. Here P square tinggal 1. And then QR cube plus 6. P dah keluarkan 1P. So habis. Tinggal Q square R power 4. And then 2. So again ni ada 1P. Dah keluarkan 1P. Tinggal Q cube R square. Okay, and then proceed. Next, we can factorize. Kita tadi dah factorize number and then P. Now, kita boleh buat Q. Okay, here we have 1Q, Q square, Q cube. So, the highest is on, so the lowest is only Q. 3P Q. Okay. P, Q. Ada satu Q dah keluarkan. So, tinggal, P. Asalnya P, Q, R power 3. Tapi Q dah keluarkan kat luar. So, tinggal P R power 3 plus 6 Q square. Okay, satu dah keluar, tinggal 1. Q R power 4 minus 2. Okay, here we have Q power 3. Satu dah keluar, tinggal Q square R square. And lastly, we want to factorize R. So we have R cube, R power 4, R square. And the lowest is R square. 3PQR square. Here we have R power 3. 2 dah keluar, tinggal 1. So PR. 6Q. Here we have R power 4. 2 dah keluar, tinggal 2. Then minus 2Q square. Here we have R square. Okay, dua-dua dah keluar. So habis. And that is the final answer. Okay, you should do it step by step first. Take out the number. And then P, Q, and R. Question number 4. Simplify the following expression completely. 2y. Okay, x plus 3 power 2. We need to expand x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Minus 3x and then 4y plus x is 1. Also, we need to expand. Negative 3x multiplied by 4y. Negative 3 multiplied 4, 12xy. And then negative 3x multiplied by x. Negative 3x square plus 3x square. Okay, let's expand x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. So we get x cubed, ax square plus 6x plus 9. And minus 12xy. Negative 3x square plus 3x square, 0. Okay, expand 2x square y. 12 xy, 18y minus 12xy. Positive 12xy minus 12xy. So we are left with 2x square y plus 18y as the final answer. Part B. Okay, again, we want to simplify the following expression. So here we have 4 things that we need to look at and try to simplify. Let's start from 4x minus 20. 4x minus 20, we can factorize 4. So x minus 5 over x squared plus 2x minus 5. This one we can factorize. Let's use our calculator. Go to equation number 3 because we have quadratic equation. Okay, A. X squared plus 2x minus 15. A is 1. B, 2. And C, negative 15. Okay, so we get x1 equal 3 and x2 equal negative 5. From x1 equal 3, we should write it down as x minus 3 because x1 equals 3. So x minus 3 equals 0. And for the second value, x2 equal negative 5. x2 equal negative 5. So x, bring negative 5 to the left plus 5 equal 0. So that is our second value from the factorization. Okay, division. Division we can change into multiplication, but we have to reverse the fraction. Okay, bahagi boleh tukar kepada darab, tapi pecahan ni kena terbalikkan. So multiply 2x minus 6 over x square minus 25. Okay, continue. Okay, let's just copy 2x minus 6, we can factorize to x minus 3. Then x square minus 25. So again, we can use a square minus b square equal a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Because 25 is 5 square. You do not cancel anything yet until we can factorize every term. So x square minus 5 square, following this theorem, x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. Okay, now let's simplify. So here we have x minus 5, x minus 5. Okay, you can only cancel atas dan bawah. Okay, kalau sama-sama bawah tak boleh cancel. Ni atas ada x tolak 5, bawah ada x tolak 5. Okay, boleh potong. Atas ada x tolak 3, bawah ada x tolak 3. Boleh potong. X tambah 5, x tambah 5 ni sebelah-sebelah. Jadi tak boleh potong. Mesti atas dan bawah. So yang atas tinggal 4 darab 2, 8. Yang bawah tinggal x tambah 5 darab x tambah 5. X tambah 5 kuasa 2. That is the final answer. Okay, now for part B. Question 1A, solve the following equation. Solve the following equation maksudnya kita nak cari nilai x. We want to find the value of x. 5 minus 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 in bracket, to open the bracket, we must multiply the negative. So 5 minus 2x, and then negative, negative, positive, plus 1 equal 28 minus 6x. Dan kita pindahkan. Let's move all terms with x to the left and terms without x to the right. Pindahkan yang ada x semua ke kiri, tak ada x pergi kanan. So here negative 6x, pergi kiri jadi positif. Okay, yang tak ada x. Sini positif 5, pindah kanan negatif 5. Positif 1, pindah kanan negatif 1. 6x minus 2x, 4x equal 28 minus 5. 28 minus 5 minus 1. 22. And then x equal 22 divided by 4. Okay, 22 divided by 4 boleh kecilkan. Kecilkan guna sifir 2. 11 per 2. B. Bila ada 3 kat bawah ni, ramai yang cuba darab tapi kena darab dengan semua. Okey. 7 darab 3, 21 tambah 2x minus 1 equal, okay, negatif x darab 3, negatif 3x. 3 darab 10 tambah 30. Okay, then kumpulkan all terms with x on the left and terms without x on the right. Okay, ini negatif 3x. Pergi kiri jadi positif. Then here we have 30. Positive 21. So negative 21. Negative 1 plus 1. 2x plus 3x. 5x. 30 minus 21 plus 1. We get 10. And x equal 10 over 5. 10 over 5, x equal 2. Question 2 is function. Okay, we have a function here, fx equal 7 minus 2x over 3. Find f negative 1. If originally the function is fx, now x become negative 1. So you must understand that we have to replace or substitute x by negative 1. Awak kena faham lah, maksudnya kita kena gantikan x dengan negatif 1. 7 minus 2. Okay, ni asalnya x, ganti dengan negatif 1 per 3. Okay, you can use your calculator if you want. 7 minus 2 and then bracket negative 1 close bracket over 3 equal. So the answer is 3. And then the next question is the same. Asalnya fx, now f6. So we must substitute x by 6. 7 minus 2, 6 over 3. So again, you can use your calculator. Okay. Change the value in this bracket from negative 1 to 6. And you get negative 5 over 3. The value of x if fx equal negative 5. Okay, tengok betul-betul dia punya equation ni. Dia tulis fx sama dengan negative 5. fx. So this is our fx. 7 minus 2x over 3. And it is said that fx equal negative 5, so equal negative 5. Here we can multiply. 7 minus 2x equal negative 15. Okay, tinggalkan negative 2x on the left. Bring 7 to the right. Okay, on the left, positive. Bring to the right, negative. Negative 15. Negative 15 minus 7 equal negative 22. So x equal negative 22 divided by negative 2. So divide by negative 2 equal. The answer is x equal 11. Question number 3. Find the value of x if x squared plus 2x equal 15. So this is what we call as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation because the highest power of x is x squared. The general form is ax squared plus bx plus c equal 0. Okay, sebelah kanan ni kosong. Tapi sekarang ni ada 15. Kita pindahkan dulu. X square plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Okay, so if you compare, you get A is 1 sebab x square sahaja. B, okay, bx, 2x, so B awak 2. And then the plus C, awak punya C negative 15. Okay, kita boleh guna calculator. Mod. Go to equation. And then we choose this one, number 3. Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, sama sebab ini quadratic equation. So, number 3. Okay, we will have to enter the value for A, B and C. Ni kita dah keluarkan tadi. A sama dengan 1. 1 equal. Okay, B pula. B 2. 2 equal. And then C negative 15. So, negative 15 equal. And we get x1 equal 3. Okay. X1 equal 3. So, x minus 3 equal 0. Yang pertama. Yang kedua, x2 equal 5. X2 equal 5. So, x minus, negative 5. X2 equal negative 5. Okay, bawa ke kiri, x plus 5 equal 0. So, that is the factorization. X minus 3, x plus 5 equals 0. So, if we want the answer, x equals 3 and x equal negative 5. That is the solution. Again, let me show you. Go to mod. Choose number 5 for equation. Choose equation number 3. And then substitute. Our A is 1. Value for B, 2. Value for C, negative 15. Equal. And then again equal. Okay, we get x1 equal 3. X2 equal negative 5. So that is the answer lah. X equal 3 and negative 5. Okay, question 4, simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation ni persamaan serentak. Ada dua metod boleh guna. Sama ada guna substitution method iaitu penggantian ataupun elimination method iaitu penghapusan. Okay, kalau tengok kat sini 3y, 5y. Okay. Tapi negative 2x and 2x. Okay, sama 2 dengan 2. Jadi senang if we use elimination method. Cuma kita susun semula. Kalau ni y depan, x belakang. Ini x depan, y belakang. Okay, nak senang kita terbalikkan. Negative 2x plus 3y equal 10. Okay, saya terbalikkan je. 3y pergi belakang, negatif 2x pergi depan sebab nak samakan. Yang bawah pun x juga. Okay, kemudian fikir. Nak tambah ke nak tolak? Kalau negatif 2, nak tukar balik kepada calculation biasa, tekan mod. Okay, mod nombor 1. Okay, dia dah hilang lah. Tadi mod nombor 5, nombor 3. Dapat macam ni kan? Dan nak pergi yang biasa, tekan balik mod, tekan nombor 1. Okay, so kalau negatif 2, ni negatif 2, katalah awak buat tolak. Okay, katalah awak buat tolak. So, negatif 2 tolak 2. Sama dengan, okay, awak dapat negatif 4. So, tak dapatlah nak eliminate x. So, tukar. Kalau buat negatif 2 tambah 2. Okay, baru dapat kosong. So, instead of minus, you do plus. Kalau buat negatif 2x tambah 2x, tadi dapat kosong. Okay, kosong. Kemudian 3y tambah 5y, 8y. 10 tambah 14, 24. Y equal 24 bahagi 8. Boleh guna sifir 8 je sebenarnya kalau awak hafal sifir. So 24 over 8. And the answer is 3. You get y equal 3. Okay, dah dapat y. Nak cari x mudah. Gantikan saja. Kalau tadi ni kita guna nama dia elimination. Okay, next kita boleh guna substitution. Pilih je nak gantikan dalam equation 1 atau equation 2. Katalah kita ganti dalam equation 2. So, 2x tambah 5. Okay, asalnya y. Tapi kita ganti y dengan 3. Equal 14. So, 2x plus 5 multiply 3, 15. Equal 14. Tinggalkan 2x sahaja. Pindah 15 ke kanan. Okay, on the left, positive 15. Bring to the right, minus 15. 14 minus 15, negative 1. So, x equal negative 1 over 2. That is the final answer. Y equal 3. X equal negative 1 over 2. Okay, kat sini, teknik ni kita namakan dia substitution. Iaitu kita buat penggantian. Dekat sini elimination. Kita buat penghapusan. Kita hapuskan satu variable. Okay, asalnya ada dua variable x dan y. Okay, x ni kita hapuskan, tertinggal y sahaja. Okay, ni pun kita kena buat simultaneous equation. Okay, persamaan serentak. Ni boleh darab dulu. Okay, let's name the first equation as equation 1. The second equation as equation 2. So, equation 1. Kita nak darab dulu. So, 3x minus ni 2 darab dengan y, 2y. 2 darab dengan 4, 8. And then, 2x plus 3y equal 1. Okay, ni equation 1. Ni equation 2. Okay, equation 1 kita ubahlah. Kita hilangkan pecahan. So, kita ada 3 dengan 2. 2 dengan 3. Okay, pilih mana-mana yang kita nak eliminate. Sebab dia punya nombor dua-dua tak sama kan. 3, 2, 2, 3. Dua-dua tak sama. Kalau tadi 2x, 2x. So, kita terus pilih eliminate x. Sekarang nombor dia tak sama. 3x, 2x, 2y, 3y. Kita boleh pilih mana-mana lah. So, saya pilih equation 1 darab dengan 2 tolak equation 2 darab dengan 3. Okay, equation 1 darab 2. 3 darab 2, 6x. Tolak 2 darab 2, 4y. Sama dengan 8 darab 2, 16. Kemudian tolak. Okay, ni ada tolak. So, tolak equation 2 darab 3. 2 darab 3, 6. 3 darab 3, 9. 1 darab 3, 3. Okay. So, dah sama. Okay, kita darab ni equation 1 darab 2. Equation 2 darab 3 sebab saya nak samakan ni. Okay, sekarang dah sama. 6x tolak 6x, kosong. Okay, kita dah berjaya eliminate x. Tinggal y. Negative 4y minus 9. Okay, negative 4 minus 9. Okay, positive 9 equal negative 13y. 16 minus 3. 13. Y equal 13 divided by negative 13. Y equal negative 1. Kita dapat Y, boleh cari X. Okay, kalau ini tadi teknik elimination. Okay, nak cari X, kita boleh guna substitution. So, pilih je mana-mana equation. Katalah kita pilih equation yang kedua. Okay, pilih equation kedua, substitute Y negative 1. So, 2x plus 3, Y here negative 1 equal 1. Okay, the original equation is 2x plus 3y equal 1. So, but now we know that y is negative 1. Substitute y by negative 1. Kita gantikan lah. 2x plus 3 darab negatif 1, negatif 3 sama dengan 1. Tinggalkan 2x. Okay. Negatif 3 bawa ke kanan, tambah 3. So, pindahkan 2, bahagi 4 bahagi 2, 2. So, itulah jawapannya. Y equal negatif 1, X equal 2. Question 5. Given Tn equal A plus N minus 1D, express D as the subject of the formula. D as the subject maksudnya D kat kiri. Okay, yang lain semua kena pergi kanan. So, D dekat kiri. Kita boleh terbalikkan lah sebab kita nak D ni dekat kiri kan. Terbalikkan dulu. A tambah N tolak 1D sama dengan Tn. Okay, so D dah dekat kiri. Tapi kita nak tinggalkan D je. Pindahkan A dulu. Kat sini positif. Pindah sini jadi negatif. And then D sahaja. Ini darab. Pindah sebelah akan jadi bahagi. Itulah jawapan akhir. Okay, ni N kecil Patutnya macam ni lah. T N kecil. Okay, minus A over N minus 1. D equal. Alright. And then express X as the subject. So, sekarang dekat sini ada punca kuasa 2X per 3. Kita nak jadikan X je. Okay, yang lain semua pergi kanan. Tinggalkan punca kuasa 2X dulu. 3 pindah. Bila pindah jadi darab lah. Okay, darab. 3 darab 4Y. 12Y. 3 darab negatif 1, negatif 3. 2X. Punca kuasa pergi sebelah akan jadi kuasa 2. Ni letak dalam bracket, letak je kuasa 2. Tinggalkan X. 12Y minus 3 square bawah over 2. Okay, sini darab, pindah sebelah jadi bahagi. That is the final answer. Kita tak perlu pun buat kuasa 2 ni. Biarkan je jawapan macam ni. Okay, and the last question. Given the formula S equal P1 plus I power N, nak cari P. Kalau S 10,000, I 0.126, N sama dengan 10. Okay, kita nak cari P. So, P. Ini semua pergi sebelah akan jadi bahagi. Okay, gantikan 10,000 over 1 plus 0.12 over 6 ni boleh kecilkan. Okay, awak boleh bahagi dulu. Zero point one two over 6. Ni 0.02. Okay, awak boleh digantikan 0.02 and 10. Okay, guna kalkulator sekali lagi. 10,000 bahagi dalam kurungan 1 tambah 0.02 tutup kurungan kuasa 10. Okay, sama je macam apa kita tulis. Kita tekan dalam kalkulator equal and we get the answer. P equal 8, tak payah letak RM pun tak apa. So, 8203.48. Okay, ataupun kalau awak tak nak kira siap-siap 0.12 bahagi 6 ni. Okay, kita buat balik. Pecahan 10,000. Ini atau boleh je letak 10,000 bahagi 1 tambah I 0.12 over 6 power 10. Kita turun bawah, bracket 1 plus pecahan 0.12 over 6. Close bracket, power 10. Equal. Okay, see? Kita masih dapat jawapan yang sama. 8203.48. Alright? Either way, if you calculate correctly, you should get the correct answer. Guna cara mana pun, kalau kira dengan betul, akan dapat jawapan yang betul. So, that is the final question lah. And that is all for today. I hope you can study the solution and really understand each question. Thank you very much.